Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Expo Bar dual boiler espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was not turning on. And it wasn't like it was not turning on. It was just basically the heat element wasn't turning on. And this thing, as you can see, this is the original color of the heat element. It's completely full of carbon or some other stuff. This material also was inside the boiler, so we also descaled the boiler and cleaned it up to make sure there's no any kind of brown residue or anything from the heating element. This heating element was not heating up at all. It was not enough to trip a breaker, but enough to not heat up at all. So we had to replace that, and as you can see now, the machine is at 1.2 bars. So that means this heating element, or I mean the new heating element, is doing its job and is heating up the boiler the way it's supposed to. We also replaced the shower screen of this machine. As you can see, this is the shower screen. It doesn't look that bad from here, but if you look at it from here, this is just completely full of coffee. This is hard coffee. This is not just soft. This is pretty hard. And you can barely see through it. It's just completely clogged. This is another kind of less clogged shower screen, but as you can see, this one you can still see the little holes over here, but this one is in much better condition than this one, and this one is in bad condition. So we replaced that. They've cleaned everything inside the roof head, backflush the machine as well, and yeah, that's what we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. We're not using the portafilter of the machine, so this one is from our Lely Bianca, our machine over here that we have in our store. So it's a new portafilter, and it doesn't really, it gets to 90 degrees over here. So it's a bit thicker as well. It's different for a different machine. We do not have any Espo Bar portafilters, unfortunately, this time. So starting with one shot of espresso, let's test it out. I'm using our Lely Bianca's grind, so it's definitely going to be a bit more finer than it should be for a vibratory pump. Our Lely Bianca has a rotary pump, but even so, even though this machine has a vibratory pump, it's still extracting the coffee pretty good. You can see it going almost at a 10 bar. It's extracting it pretty good, having a nice flow coming out through there. I'm gonna stop it right here. Nice shot. Cream as well as it's coming up. There you go. You can see the color a bit better. Working great. Steamer of this machine. Let me remove some of that excess water from the steamer. There we go. You can see nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent. Really refreshing. Working perfectly. Hot water for this machine. As you can see, working excellent as well. And we have that color that he had before, which was this color from the heating element. So there you have it. Espo Bar working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching. Oh, and it ran out of water, so that's why it doesn't have the lights on. So thanks for watching.